Well, good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back to start our news update just like yesterday. Yeah, last 1 month we are in this field daily one updates for the news update. What is going on in the scientific field in the whole world daily? There is something coming up with new discoveries. So, my friend, just welcome, and we are going to start. First one is the coronavirus worldwide infection rate increasing 7 million cases and death rate is the 4 lakhs plus cases. So you know that the corona is infection rate is very high and frequently in the whole world is governing and controlling by this infecting viruses. So you know that what will be the next, how the man's, yeah, human society get controls, get be under the virus because this universe is totally controlled by the, yeah, is governed by the microorganism, either bacteria or viruses. You know that one of the researchers find that this earth is living things in this earth is formed by these type of organism. If you can disturb the ecosystem of these viruses, they will be returned back and make the equilibrium in the system. So because humans made so lot of the disturbance in the whole universe, global warmings, atlantics are melting, temperature of weather is growing, cyclones, so many things is happening nowadays. So you just need that. Second news is that coming from the Oxford University, which is showing that the vaccines, what is he was working in that in the against COVID-19 is the phase 3 trials, and hoping very soon 2 million doses of coronavirus vaccines will come in this month, yeah, next month. So the first priority to going these vaccines to peoples who are under the control, who are under these infections. So the vaccines have the limited uses first times, after then it will become to market understanding. Another news is coming from the science news that research developed two-sided solar panels, because you know that in the one-sided solar panels most common in that country where the electricity the problem, just like in India like country where the electricity was the sometimes insufficient in villages, in a town area, yeah, the city which are away from the different part of the regions. So this system is very good if there is a both sided, because temperature in the from the March to October very high, so we can use both sided in this type of the development is coming in the field of the electrical engineering. So this is one of the best news for the generations who are missing the electric lighted. Another news is that what we are coming to know that is this is the scientists that create functional mini livers in the human skin cell from the human skin cells. This is the another news that can be you can make the livers from the human skin cells by successfully, and they transfer in the 5 rats. The one of the biggest news in the human living things, you can make a liver in the artificial lab by using skin cells and go further making another themes. So it is the one of the science you can go and make heart, kidney, a different part of the body cells. So you can, when they are damaged, you can repair, you can change them and make the better futures of the life in the coming days. You, if they are infected some things, so you can use these things. One of the other news is the scientist is reported that artificial blood cells in the from the natural ability to fuel and the bulk the doses. You can also make the artificial blood vessels if there is a rupture, there is a cut, there is accident happen. So a lot of the blood vessels has died, yeah, fractured. So in these cases you can use such type of artificially made red blood cells. So you can don't need to blood donations, anything you can make in the labs and go for the bloods in the samples. So this is the biggest changes in the living systems. So you can be make better and better in coming days in the life. So this is the one of the best things. So you can change the living systems. But what happened in the viruses, why the peoples are still not getting anything, this is also one of the question in the science department. Now we are coming in the next news. New researchers have suggested that DNA and RNA coexist before the emergence of the life. This is the one of the another news which is showing that in this Earth, when the planet was formed, the RNA DNA both are the coexist before the life is coming in this earth. I don't know, this is the another news which is more reliable or not. We will come to know this is just a publication, because last day I saw a lot of the papers in published in the Lancet, a new journal of England. There is a missing some data, but only they publish the paper because the scientists they want to growth, so they want to publish lot of papers, because there is a lot of the some things happening, something is not very good in the systems like India, Pakistan, Asia, South Asian country are, and most of the African country are doing like this type of things. There is no any data, but only the sitting in the labs and they make the different type of the research fraud things. Another news is the oldest and largest Mayan structure recorded in the discovery of southern Mexico. As already I told you, there is an asteroid. Normally, they found there is some structures are present in the Mexico City. There is a lot of the informations in the coming time. It will come after the research happened in these things. So some news are very interesting in the day by day coming in the field of the science, biology, physics. And the news is that astronomers witness the star formations. The star, when any stars are dead, going to dead, they will also release lot of energy in the form of X-ray. They can be destroyed near about the environments. This type of the things happens when any stars in the universe is going to die. There is the lot of things is going on there. Now we are coming in the corona cases in the whole world. What is the going on in the whole world? You can see this is the USA, Brazil, Russia. These are top things. Spain and India. Hopefully India will going to up very soon. Now India is rapidly going day by day, and infections rate is very common, hoping it will be controlled after the end of the August. But right now in India, this is the uncontrolled situations. Peoples will get infected easily, because this is the in the society level infections going on there. So you can see this is the 2,57,486 cases are reported, 7,200 deaths are reported. There is a 5% now. There is about 13 to drop wise. Death rate is going to drop, but infections rate is going to high. This is the one of the another things. One of the doctors from AIMS was telling that there is a lot of the peoples will get recovered from there individually. There is no need to be go for the medicine or anything. And the one thing is that I'm showing here the graphical representation in India, the cases and new cases, recovery and all things. This case is the recovery cases, this is the green cases, and this graph is going on one by day is the new cases. This is the frequently up and up, and there is a lot of differences happening in between the recovery and the new cases reporting. So it's very common, because the country of India is a very populated, and most of peoples are infected by their social behavior. And this is you can see in these cases. I'm listening writing here last 5 day report 9,000, around 10,000 from yesterday, and today continuous 200. That means every 5 days 1,000 peoples are more than 1,000 peoples are dying from the coronaviruses. So you can see there is a lot of things is going on, but people is still not understanding why they are getting such type of infections, and they are busy and criticizing, playing the politics, anything in this game. But they don't know this is the viral infections. They will be infected by these things. But peoples of South Asian country are more religious than the scientifics. And now we are coming in the field of the most scholarship section, one of the my best sections, where I am giving scholarship, fully funded scholarship in the whole world. If you are going to study master program, your higher study, these are 25 scholarship. I am again going the Fulbright scholarship. USA is now open, Chiving is coming, Commonwealth scholarship, those both are UK scholarship, very good scholarship. Dad fellowship Germany, AS scholarship from Australia, you can apply. This is also open. Chinese scholarship is still open. This is then June is the last date. You can go and apply from this. Turkish, I don't like this thing. Turkish, Russia, I don't like. Ireland, Holland, Mexico, Yale University, Oxford University, Korean University, and you are going for Switzerland, German universities, yeah, scholarship programs, Singapore, Taiwan, Canada, Poland, Netherlands. There's a lot of these university scholarships are present. You need to go in this website from where you can find whole details. First you will go for the application process, and from offer letters then you will go for this scholarship section. Hope you like it and enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel, make it better. Hoping you are fine and secure. Thank you so much for watching my video.